He said, God must have had a great sense of humor to invent
You go along, Gilbert.
Of course I do, I'm the master.
Son of a...
Are you fucking knobhead? What's your fucking problem? What's your fucking problem? Dickhead. What's your fucking problem? Wanker.
How small that watering thing was. Still really nice though. It still looks cool. It's not bad that it's small. It looks good. I mean, like if you're misting plants, you don't. You are just giving them a mist, right?
Yeah.
Where are the spots?
I don't know. Not that great of a guess.
What are you doing?
There's one there, right?
Well, you're fucking retarded. Holy shit. Really? Fuck you. Fuck you. Really? What are you doing?
What is wrong with you?
Get the fuck in your car, dude. Get the fuck in your car. Shut up. Dumbass. Smart. Yeah. Yeah, here you go. Dumbass. What? Get in your car! Fucking stupid. Oh my god. So dumb. Go.
Babe, what the hell?
What?
Jason, I don't want to do this.
Yeah, why aren't they moving?
I'm gonna call 911.
Get the fuck out of the way.
I'm gonna call 911.
Fucking stupid.
Jason, I'm gonna call 911.
Don't.
Oh, we have to. Idiot.
Fucking stupid
Oh my,
shit.
Jason. Jason, I don't want them to do anything, Jason. Jason, no, I don't want to get out of
Yeah, I'll wait till he goes. Oh my god. So stupid.
Jason, are they gonna mess with our car? Are they gonna do something?
No, they're not gonna do shit.
Postigao je šomo onaj šta ga. Postigao, budala. Vai, what are you doing? Now, take one. What are you doing? You're very well. In my position. Right. You don't see that hand? You don't see that hand? Hey, Troy. That's not catching. That's
They were taking a little stroll there on Somerton Beach, which I'm sure is lovely.
Yep.
And they saw something weird. They were walking toward Glenelg, so I guess they're connected beaches.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And they saw something interesting on the seawall there. They saw...
Actually, only... Jesus. I rolled a 4, a 1, and a 5. So...
Not all it's cracked up to be.
Yeah. Just a 4, a 1, and a 5. That's 10 damage. Yeah. 10 damage, so 5 damage to
nice.
the people who passed. Wow, that spell sucks when you do it at a very low